Okay, so ear, parts of ear is my topic. Now, ear has three parts, that is your outer ear, middle ear, and your inner ear. So, outer ear do what? Outer ear receives a sound vibrations, whereas middle ear do what? Middle ear amplify these sound vibrations, and sound vibrations is in the form of what waves? That is my longitudinal waves that we have already discussed, longitudinal waves, right? Our inner ear, we doesn't, our brain is receiving what type of signals? Electrical signals, because our brain works in electrical signals, right? So see, these sound vibration, now electrical signals is in which type of waves? That is your, which type of waves? Transverse wave. Okay, that is your transverse wave. So longitudinal wave is converted into transverse wave. In which part of the ear? In the inner part of the ear. Clear?
Yeah.
Fine. Now, after this is the parts of ear. Now the next topic is what is the main function? These are the main three functions of the ear. That these electrical signals is then go to where? These electrical signals then go to our brain. Is this clear? Electrical signals go to our where? Go to our brain. Okay. Then brain do what? Brain then interrupts these signals as a what? Brain interrupt these electrical signals okay into what? Into sound waves. Then we understand that sound is coming from forward or backward. Or from where it is coming. What is that sound? Okay, whatever I am telling you, you are understanding because of electrical signals. The brain has interrupted into these electrical signals in the form of your what? As a sound. Is that clear? Is this clear?
Yeah.
Now, what these, see, outer ear has how many? Outer ear do what? It just receives the vibrations. Okay. So in our outer ear, if you can see this diagram. Okay. In this diagram, we can see the outer ear. Outer ear is also called as what? Pinna. Outer ear is also known as what? Pinna. Okay. Outer ear is called as pinna.
Okay.
So what does it do? What pinna do? Pinna collects the sound from our different surroundings.
Okay.
Resume. Now, the ear. So here you can see our ear canal. Okay. So one by one, we will start studying about our outer ear. Outer ear. Outer ear is also known as what? Pinna. So what is the role of the pinna? Pinna collects the sounds from different surroundings, right? Now,
yeah,
our first part is our ear canal. So what is the role of ear canal? Any idea? Easy peasy. It collects the sound from the outer ear to my eardrum. Correct?
okay.
Correct? It transport, collected, it transport, collected, sound from outer surroundings okay to my eardrum.
Yeah, understood.
Clear? Fine.
Yes.
Now second part. As we can see here in the diagram also, the second is what? Our eardrum. Correct? The small white color you can see in your ears also with the help of torch. White color, the small layer is there in our ear. So that is known as what? Your eardrum.
Yeah.
Fine. So what is the role of eardrum? This is a very okay, very thin membrane. Because of that reason, doctor suggests that don't put earbuds inside the ear. It may hurt our eardrum. Okay. So main the role of our eardrum is that it collects the compression and rarefaction of sound. Compresses and rarefaction means what? That we you might have seen this video. I hope so you remember about transverse wave and longitudinal wave. I have shown you. This is known as what? Rarefaction of the waves. This is known as what? Compression of the waves. Then rarefaction, then compression, where we can see large amount of waves. This is about a spring in the form of waves. In the form of waves, if this is your compression, then this is your rarefaction. Then compression, then rarefaction, then compression, like that. Okay? Compression means where we can collect large amount of waves, and rarefaction means what? Where we can see the less amount of waves. Okay? So what is the role of your eardrum? Eardrum collects compression and rarefaction of waves. Is this clear? Is this clear to you?
Yes.
On which type of waves? Which type of wave? Light wave? No. Sound wave. Okay?
Yeah.
Fine. So compression, at the time of compression, what eardrums move? At the time of compression, eardrum moves inward, and at the time of rarefaction, eardrums moves outward.
Yes.
Understood? Understood?
Yeah.
Any doubt here?
No.
Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, wait a minute, I'm clearing here the screen also. Now, so compression, rarefaction, is there any doubt, Aryan? Sorry, Ansh?
No.
Fine. Now the next part is what you can see here. There is a one bone structure is there. You can see this bone structure, which is known as what? Ear bones.
Yeah.
Understood? This complete part is known as what? Your ear bones.
Yes.
Ear bones is divided into three parts: hammer, anvil, and stirrup. Okay. Now, what is the ear bone? We have three parts of the ear bone. So, ear bone do what? It amplifies sound vibrations. Amplify means what? It increases the sound vibration. Increases the sound vibrations. So this is the main part of the ear bone, main work of ear bone. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, the next part, inner ear. That is your inner ear part is what? Our this coilia. You can see this is a form of a what? Coil. Correct?
Yeah.
This is a form of a coil. So what does that mean? This is a very inner part of the ear. So it converts sound vibration. You can write it here. Sound vibration into electrical signals.
Yeah.
Understood? It converts the sound vibrations into electrical signals. Now here
Understood.
you can see auditory nerve is also here, which goes to our brain.
Yeah.
Auditory, here you can see in the culture. After that, now the sound is converted into electrical signals. Now it will go to where? Go to our brain. So when it goes, so the main role of this is what? Transport electrical signals. Sorry, transport electrical signals into our brain.
Mm.
Understood?
Yeah.
Fine. And brain
Yeah.
do what? Brain interrupts this signal as a sound that we have already studied. Okay.
Mm.
If you want, I can write it down here also. Brain interrupt these electrical signals into sound waves. Into sound.
Okay.
Fine. So I am revising it again.
Yeah.
Ear has 3 parts. Okay.
Mm.
Ear has 3 parts. That is your outer ear, middle ear, and your inner ear. Outer ear do what? Outer ear receives the sound signal vibrations. Middle ear amplify these sound vibrations. Okay. Now,
Mm.
middle ear sound vibrations is what? It is a longitudinal wave. Whereas inner ear converts our sound into electrical signals. And this conversion is done by what? Done by our coilia. Okay. It converts the sound vibrations into electrical signals. After converting, then auditory nerves transport these electrical signals into our brain, and brain then interrupts these electrical signals into your sound signals. Okay. Now, outer ear. Outer ear has what? Ear canal, eardrum. Okay. These are the 2 parts of our outer ear. Ear canal do what? It transport a collected sound from the outer surrounding to our eardrum. And eardrum is a very thin membrane. It compression here, compression and rarefaction of sound waves occur. At the time of compression, the eardrums moves inward direction, and at the time of rarefaction, the eardrum moves outward direction. Okay. Now in the middle ear, we have a ear bones. That is hammer, anvil, and stirrup. These do what? These increases the sound vibrations. Increases means what? It amplifies the sound vibration. Amplifies the sound vibrations. Okay. And the inner part is what? This is an oval window from where these sound waves come and go to our coilia, and then here the sound waves is converted to electrical signals, And then with the help of auditory nerves, it goes to our brain, where brain interprets these electrical signals into sounds. Okay. And this outer, and more thing, the outer ear is also known as what? Pinna. Fine?
Yeah.
Rejoin.